Hello everyone, my fourth technology that I found was called Animoto. And before I get started, just a quick update for the Seesaw. I didn't mention ISTE, which was a ISTE 2D, which is going to be communicating effectively with all stakeholders. So I just want to let you know that I did have an ISTE for the number 3 Seesaw. So Animoto. With this one, the technology is a web-based and app-based also. It's pretty much highlighting how you can give the cadets a different opportunity to make videos, be creative in their video making process, and also to be able to share videos. It's not a whole lot of experience is needed for this one. You'll be able to plug and play. I thought it was very easy, user-friendly for a student to be able to make videos. And we do make a lot of videos in our classroom when we start talking about blending learning. What I like about this one also, the Animoto, is that based on the topic that you'll see, I'll tab here shortly, it's going to be based on how your slides are going to be formatted. So I'm going to tap the education presentation, and which is really going to have, it really engage the students' creative thinking. So let me go ahead and do that. So we just choose a template for education. I'm going to start creating my project. I can upload photos once it's done. When we start talking about sometimes with the availability and creativity, students need to have options. So I'm going to go ahead and find backdrop for this one. I'm going to tag a photo. And what's going to happen as you look at the bottom, I can take pictures, historical pictures that I made, maybe from a camping trip, maybe the Grand Canyon trip or something along those lines. And I'm going to be able to incorporate these photos on here. What's really great too is that you can add music to it. You can design it and kind of format it the way that is really interesting for you. I know different personalities, we say our winning colors that the students bring. They'll be able to really, again, use those multiple intelligence and be able to create something that's really not a difficult template to work with. So again, Animoto is really a good use of technology. App and web-based is free. I'm going to definitely use this and recommend it to my students. For the IST for this one, I have 1B, which is ensuring all students have access to the technology, connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. So thank you very much for your time on this one. Animoto.com, and I will be moving forward with my 5th presentation. Thank you very much.